This table has a secret. There are 4 little compartments for kids. Come check it out. Ta-da! Okay, so like mess, no mess. Mess, no mess. Hey Remodelaholics, I'm so excited to share with you this Ikea Hemnes hack for a Hemnes, I never know how to pronounce it, Hemnes desk. So we got this little desk and we took it from a regular desk with a couple drawers into this awesome hidden compartment kids desk. Give us a thumbs up if you like Ikea hacks. Justin.
I'm writing you a love letter.
Lorene asked if we could hack this desk for her. And she brought the desks over. She had put one together, but we had to take it apart in order to do the hack. So don't put it together before you've seen what you have to do.
Yeah, you have to go to step 6 and then you have to stop, customize the top, and then continue.
Yeah, so Justin, he's the man. He figured it out. He and my nephew, Tyler, who's been working with us.
Yeah, I had to help her.
They worked on this together. But so they got this all done, and we're gonna show you how we did it, and Justin's gonna take you to the shop, and I was hanging out with Lorene inside where it wasn't cold. Sorry, honey?
Yeah, it's starting to get cold,
It's
so
starting to get so
let me show
cold.
you how I did it. All right, so once you get to step 6, we're gonna stop and do something a little different. We got the main tabletop piece, the bigger piece, and then we got the smaller piece, and this goes in the back. But for this desk hack that we're doing, we're gonna combine these into one solid surface. And I'm gonna use a Craig jig to do that. I'm just gonna use the pocket holes. I'm gonna drill 4 on each side so it has a really nice, tight, strong bond. So you could probably do one side, but I'm just gonna do both sides just to have extra support. All right, there we go. We got one solid desktop. Now the next step is we're gonna cut it in half on the table saw. If you don't have a table saw, just draw a straight line and use your miter saw. I'm just hand sanding this to match the bevel of the desk. This is the back piece. And before we assemble that to the sides of the desk, we're actually gonna lay it out just like this. Now these 2 pieces here, these are the custom pieces that I just made of the desk that's gonna hinge up. I laid this out on the tabletop and I made sure that I found the center of the back piece and I spaced it out evenly. I actually put a little bit of a gap in there. I just found an 1/8 inch piece of something to give me a little space. And then on the spacing here, I just put a little razor blade width. So it's really thin, and we're gonna change and use a different type of hinge. We've got these hinges here that we bought on Rockler.com. It's actually called a hinge hamper lid. It's got some tension to it. So inside here, when the desk is flipped up, this piece is gonna stay in the up position and not slam back down. The best way to do this is to get the hinges attached to the back first, and then we'll pre-drill to the top. And then once that's pre-drilled, we'll assemble these last, but at least it'll have the holes easily ready to be installed. We're gonna wanna make sure that this round part is on the back. With the hinges, comes with 2 types of screws, flathead screw and a panhead. This one's gonna go on the bottom. And then with that screwed in place, I'm just gonna find the center of these holes. All right, now I'm gonna take these screws out and then we'll assemble this to the table. And we're gonna use this piece. It was for the drawer that would have been right here. For this desk, we're not gonna have the drawers. We're not gonna worry about that. So these leftover pieces we'll use as the dividers. One. Okay, now that these dividers are in place, I'm going to attach this back. Cool, right? So I've got this drawer front. We're not going to do drawers, but we're going to use it and attach it to the top of the desk like this. When it comes down, it'll look like it has a drawer, but it'll be a fake drawer. What I'm gonna do is just put 3 pocket holes back here down, and I need to mark right here the opening and the front. So I did that on both sides. I did it here and over here because I need to find the center of the desk so that I can center this piece right there like that. I decided it'd be easier to take it off and lay it down flat so I can attach these with the pocket hole screws on a flat surface. Now this piece is centered in the opening of the desk. So you can see it's not centered on the desk top, but it's on the opening. And then I took the center of this right down on this mark here. And then right here, I have about a 9/16 of an inch offset from the front. And that'll put this about where the drawer would have been had the drawer been there. Now this is 1/2 inch thick. This is thicker, but I had to use smaller screws for 1/2 inch thick material. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And that's it. And then we'll attach them back to the desk table. All right, I'm just gonna reattach these again. Is this thing on?
Hey.
Ow.
Justin brought the desks over. We're gonna get them ready, and we have these 4 really fun contact papers. Each desk will be its own color so the kids can know. Excuse me, Tiger. Okay, Tiger really likes the green one. Where are you going, buddy? Tiger, don't sit on my head.
Sit down,
don't
Tiger.
Sit down, right, okay. He wants. Each little section in the desk will have its own contact paper. That way the kids will know, like, I'm green or I'm red or yellow or blue. So super cute, fun, bright colors. We're gonna put them on the inside of the desk right now. Give us a thumbs up if you like IKEA hacks. Okay guys, that is it for this project. I think it's an amazing, really quick hack. It looks great. It's gonna function really well with the kids. Please be sure to check out these other videos that we have. We have some great other IKEA hacks, including this entry hack, and we will see you later. Bye, guys.
Should we do that?
Yeah, because that's normal.
Go.
Okay.